Natalie, and today I'm unboxing these things that you can play in the bath. They're really cool. I want to open them now.
What are they called, Natalie?
They're called Sago Mini boat butters. They float in the water, and then you can put them on the edge of it.
Can you show me the front of it?
This is what it looks like on the front. And on the back, there's a boy or girl playing with it.
Fun.
Oh my God. Here we go. Gotta take this off. So, they come in a package if you want to know that, if you're getting one of these. And there are a whole bunch of shapes, like there's a boat, and it's really cute. I really like it. And then there's a little pineapple, which I really like this pineapple. It's super cute. And then there's a hook that you can probably attach. I don't know. Yeah, like that. And then you can attach the boat to the little floaty. And then I think there are little characters that come with it that you can actually put on the boat like that. And then there's this cutie. I can put him on this. And there's also a cute pirate ship thing that you can attach. And there's a cute bunny. I can put on the floaty again. And then I think the umbrella's pretty cute. Let's put that on the boat since this little floaty doesn't have an accessory. And the puppy's one of my favorites. Then there are lots of things you can attach to this. Like the puppy, you can attach the little puppy on there. And again, you can attach this on if you want to. It's cute. I think we can use this one to put on here. It has a starfish on it. And yeah, there's a cute little surfer board. And this. So thank you for watching. I'm going to open this on the second part.
Okay.
See you next.
Can you show me those toys?
Yes.
Ooh.
And then this one. And there's a second one.
Ooh.
Thank you for seeing me. I'm going to open this one on part 2.